the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hey, all my beautiful nail besties. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. We got some nail mail. I love me some good nail mail. So, Rosalind was kind enough to send over a 6-piece gel set for me to test out in today's video. I did get the pink collection. It is $11.99 on Amazon, and they did give me a discount code so you guys can save some shmoney. We all know everybody likes saving money, especially in this day and age, because stuff be expensive. And it is for 15% off. So, a little bit about Rosalind. They were founded in 2015. They have created over 1,000 original colors, and they create 200 plus colors every year. They have sold over 100 million bottles of gel polish with a 99.7% favorable rate. So the people have spoken, and they love Rosalind gel products. So let's see what this is all about. So starting off, we have some pretty basic packaging that talks about what is in their gels and that they are 7-free, meaning 7 of the most toxic chemicals found in gel polish is not in Rosalinds. So that is awesome. When you open the box, you get a pamphlet that talks about the usage, how to remove, DIY nail art, and some Q&A on the back, which is pretty standard when you buy a gel kit. And look at these bottles. How absolutely beautiful. I love that iridescent shift that they put on these bottles. And I love the gold accents too, because as you may know, my aesthetic for my nail area is pink and gold. So these will look beautiful on display. I'm very excited about that. As I said, I got the all pink 6 gel collection. So starting off, we have C138, C005, C104, C133, C094, and C001. So let's get right into some swatches. I'm excited to swatch these. These colors are absolutely beautiful. I love me some good pink polishes. The first swatch we will be doing is C138. And are y'all seeing this? Look at how creamy this is. My goodness. I can understand why people like Rosalind, and for the price point, I'm seeing you, Rosalind. I see you. Next, we are going to swatch C005. I really enjoy this color. I love the pink with the purple undertones. Just a beautiful color. Oh my goodness, would you look at how creamy these are? I am blown away with how well these perform for the price point. This is crazy. Are y'all seeing this? That is one coat. Beautifully done, Rosalind. Next, we are swatching C104, and this one is one of my favorites in here. I love a good glitter gel polish, but if it has the hollow reflex in it too, chef's kiss. Just beautiful. And this gel is just absolutely stunning, especially when the light hits it. The reflect it gives off is just absolutely beautiful, as I said. Again, this is one of my favorite ones in this collection. And I do want to mention too that the glitter distributes really well throughout this. I know a lot of times with a glitter gel, you'll get like splotchy spots. I was not seeing that with this at all. Next, we are going to swatch C133, And this one has to be my all-time favorite one out of this entire collection. I am getting total Barbie pink vibes from this. I am living for this color right now. I love a good pink, especially when it's got that fluorescent kind of pink to it. Just look at that. My goodness. Again, so creamy. Beautiful, beautiful gels. Next, we will be swatching C094. And again, look at that color. Total Barbie vibes from this one as well. This one and the last one I showed are like my two top picks, and then that glitter one for sure. Just absolutely beautiful. I really, really enjoyed this pink collection. And wait till you guys see the nail set I created with these. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful colors. Perfect for summertime as well. Look at how beautiful that is. My goodness. And our last color up is C001. And this is just a basic white gel, but again, lays down beautifully, very creamy, nice opacity. All these colors actually performed very well. I did do 2 coats for the swatches, and I will show those in a couple seconds. I did do the second coat off camera though. But yeah, I would highly, highly recommend these gels. They did an amazing job. They are nice and opaque. The color payoff is just beautiful with these. If you are looking for a good pink collection, again, I would highly recommend giving Rosalind a try. The price point is super friendly. It is not too expensive, and I have that discount code, so be sure to check that out. My link and discount code will be listed down in the description below, along with any other products that I use to create the nail look that we are doing today. So again, be sure to check that out. And if you are considering getting some new gels, I highly recommend you give Rosalind a try. All right, y'all, it's time to create a nail look with these, and I am excited for you guys to see how these turn out because they are absolutely beautiful. Please ignore the bubbles on my thumb. We are going to completely ignore those. You do not see them. I did apply the tips off camera with a peel off base coat, and I have also went ahead and applied a base coat to these already as well off camera. Starting off, I'm going to go in with C001 for my thumbnail only, and I am going to apply 2 coats to this, curing for 60 seconds in between. Next, I will be taking C138 and applying this to my pointer finger, again applying 2 coats. We will be applying 2 coats to all the fingers today. I do only apply 1 on camera though, and again curing for 60 seconds in between. Look at the opacity of just that 1 coat. My goodness. I cannot get over how good they did with these gels. Beautifully done, Rosalind. Next, we're going to take C005 and apply that to the middle finger. Next, we will take C133 and apply that to our ring finger. And lastly, we will be taking C094 and applying that to our pinky nail. Oh, I am obsessed with this one. This one is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Just look at that. My goodness. After those have fully cured, I'm going to take some mermaid chrome powder with this beautiful bluish purple shift and use the tacky layer from the gels to apply the chrome powder to all the fingers. When you are done applying, float a nice juicy coat of top coat and cure for 60 seconds. I love these mermaid chrome powders. The amount of a difference it can make in a nail set is just amazing to me. Once you are done applying your top coat and fully curing that for 60 seconds, we are going to come in with the corresponding nail color and draw in some little hearts that go different directions. So kind of like a yin and a yang sign is the best way I can describe it. And you're just going to cover the entire nail in those hearts, but don't cure it when you are done. I am going to let this part play out and I will be back when we are done painting the hearts on. Once you have the hearts on the nail the way you like them, with that uncured gel, we are going to pour some either clear acrylic or clear dip powder on top of the wet gel, let it sit and soak in for a couple seconds, and then stick it in your nail lamp for 30 seconds to cure. And once that is done curing, dust off the nail to reveal that final look. And oh, I am just obsessed with how these come out. Look at that chrome shift behind it. Oh, these are so pretty. I love how these turn out. So we are going to do the same process to the middle finger and the ring finger. And I did those off camera. For the pinky nail, we are going to make some little dots, creating a French tip outline in the dots. And then I do a heart in the middle of the French tip area off camera. And I do repeat the same steps as before, applying the acrylic or dip powder to the uncured gel. I hope you all are enjoying the video so far and the nail design that I picked out for this set today. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, please consider, because YouTube tells me that 72% of you watching have not smashed that subscribe button yet. I would love to have you join our Nail Bestie family, and if you do, be sure to turn on post notification bells so you never miss a video. because we have some exciting stuff coming up. We have a giveaway coming at 500 subscribers and then a huge one at 1,000, and I would love for you all to be a part of it. And if you are enjoying the video so far, please consider giving the video a like and leaving a comment if you are feeling generous. Off camera, I did create a Frenchy look out of those same heart patterns that we did on the pointer, middle, and ring finger to create a heart Frenchy on the thumb. And my goodness, look at these nails. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. I am obsessed with how these turned out. So, overall first impression of Rosalind gels, I love them. I would highly recommend you guys give them a try. All the products from today's video will be listed down below. I have used Rosalind's products before, but only their poly gels. So, great first impression of their gel polishes. Again, highly recommend you guys give them a try. And if you guys enjoyed this video, again, please be sure to give it a like, leave a comment if you are feeling generous, and if you have not subscribed, please, again, consider. I would love to have you join us. And be sure to turn on post notifications if you do, so you never miss me making a beautiful nail set. That is it for this one, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!